Imagine a world where robots don't just exist in factories. They work alongside humans, transforming entire industries. This is the revolution of AI and automation. From the automotive assembly lines to hospitals, AI-powered robotics are reshaping how we work. They're faster, more precise, and tireless, performing tasks that once required entire teams of people. But these robots aren't replacing humans. They're collaborating with them. AI analyzes data in real time, while automation takes care of repetitive and dangerous tasks. This synergy boosts productivity, reduces errors, and keeps workers safe. In agriculture, AI-driven drones monitor crops from above, detecting disease before it spreads. Autonomous tractors and harvesters ensure efficiency and precision, feeding the world with fewer resources. In logistics, robotics streamline warehouses, optimizing supply chains to deliver products faster than ever. Autonomous delivery vehicles are already hitting the roads, a glimpse into a future of contactless delivery. Beyond factories and farms, AI is transforming cities. From traffic management to smart homes, automation is making daily life more efficient, personalized, and sustainable. But behind the scenes, teams of engineers and researchers are constantly improving these technologies, ensuring they remain ethical, reliable, and aligned with human values. The age of AI and robotics is not about humans versus machines. It's about humans and machines working together to shape a smarter, safer, and more prosperous world.